Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your avatar dance in Berry Avenue. So if you want to make your avatar bust a move in Berry Avenue, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can access the dance animation so you can show off your best move at parties, hangouts, or just for fun. So what you need to do is just click on this arrow in here and tap on this icon and you'll see the actions menu, and at the top you'll see the dancing options. You can just tap on the dance and choose the kind of dance that you want to. This one is wave dance, b-boy, robot dance. So there are lots of dance move that you can try. There's also this Gangnam style. So just choose one that you want to use for your avatar. There's this around the wall. And once you select that, you can just close this. If you want to change the move again, you can just go to the same menu. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.